Dustin and I are preparing y'all a frozen key lime pie recipe inspired by the key lime pie that we serve at the Lady and Sons. It's so very good.
So good.
It's so simple. A cup of heavy cream, beat until it forms soft peaks with 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Now let's add that 12-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk.
You just tell me how
Just
fast to
go
go.
for it, baby. Ooh, ain't that looking good?
It really smells good already.
All right, now if you would zest me like a 1/2 tablespoon of that lime right on in there. And I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of key lime juice. Oh gosh, it smells so good.
It does.
Here, I'll get you a plate. Why don't you do it on the plate, and that might be easier than fighting me.
I think you're right,
To
as
share
always.
the bowl. No, I'm not always right. But 9.97 times I am.
Yes, you are.
Well, that's sweet of you to say. All right, now to this, I'm gonna add a pint of 1/2 and 1/2, which is 2 cups. That's great, Dustin. Just throw it in. And the smell is incredible.
Really good. That lemon zest is awesome.
I say all the time, Dustin, I wish we had scratch and sniff TVs. So if you'd kind of move that out of the way.
Yep.
And get our pie crust over here. We're gonna just pour our filling into our pie crust, and we're gonna put this in the freezer and let it set up good.
How long will that take?
You know, 4, 5, 6 hours.
Okay.
You can make this the morning of
Pour it right in for
or
you.
the night before, yes. Let me grab a spatula because I want to get every bit of that goodness. Doesn't that look delicious?
So good.
Okay, so put that in the freezer because we're going to let it cool for 3 to 4 hours.
Sweet, I always did
I think
that
I'll
with timing.
sit right here.
Right on time.
Yes, you are right on time.
I usually am.
You know, it's one of those things that can sit in your freezer and you go back and enjoy a piece tonight
Yeah,
while you're
all
watching
night.
TV.
That's good.
Yeah, all night.
Good.
All
Stay
night.
at home.
You know
Wow,
what? And
please.
a little dollop of whipped
golly,
cream might not be
goodness.
too bad.
Y'all gotta get you some for sure.
Wow.
Out of this world.
It is, you're right.
Out of
This
this
world.
world. A perfect dessert
That's perfect.
Yep.
to go
Doesn't get any
along
better.
with a couple of perfect guys. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.